Am I late this morning? Am I on Saturday time? Hi. Hello, Mart. I'll be out shortly. I promise. Tux is down here. Actually, he's jumped up now. Hi, bud. You coming? Come on. Let's go to your spot. There you go. It is noticeably cooler out here this morning. It's so nice. There you go, buddy. There you go. Good morning. Everybody should be in a good mood today with this cool temps. How you boys doing? Hi, Morris. Hey, bud. Hey, Stripey. Yeah, it's 63 out here right now. It feels like a dream. That fall we've been dreaming of, it feels like it. The kitties seem to be doing good this morning. Tux doesn't seem any worse for wear, but I'll still be keeping an eye on that spot on his head for the next 2 or 3 days. Make sure he doesn't start feeling puny. I have Veriflox antibiotic if I need to give it to him. Now you be careful driving my baby, since you're not used to driving her. Remember, she's not helping with visualizations of other cars at all. Just a reminder, until we get the cameras fixed, she doesn't show you cars beside her. So we're back over here at the, you can be, yeah. Well, we found out here or at the stoplight works. Both are okay. So we're at Parkside Commons. This is the original Carry Supercharger. The Carry Supercharger up at Bass Pro Shops off Harrison is now open too, but there wouldn't be any place to meet over there. I mean, over here we actually don't meet at the Supercharger. We meet where they tell us we can meet. Go straight. No?
Isn't this the, oh.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Yeah.
Anyway, the development owners over here tell us to meet in this open parking lot beside the theater, and it works out great for us. And then the Supercharger's over on the other side of the shopping center by the Target.
So,
At any plate over at the new Carry one, there's no extra space. That shopping center would never accommodate a meetup. There's nothing. It's very small. And we're here right at the opening today.
Yeah.
Well, we actually don't have a lot of people here. Maybe more will still show. So that's 7, that's 8. Yeah, so this is the Plaid S that I saw coming out of downtown Raleigh yesterday. And it looks gorgeous. He has XPEL on it. It is a Plaid. The red does look great, Donnie. It does. Ah, okay. I didn't notice that from a distance, but yeah, I see that now.
I mean, it takes...
Oh, and the wood grain finish too. He's got a red case on one of his phones. I like it. Red car, red case. But I noticed him, Donnie. He's very unique. The wheels, it makes that red circle going around, and those rim guards don't look clunky. They actually look. I like them. Actually, I do. He's got. I think it's a rim guard. I don't know. No, those are the ones. No, I think it's rim guard. You can ask him. That's a nice picture. Ruby and the Plaid. We thought one of the cars here has the Rimac wheels covers.
Those aren't Rimatrax, but he had them. Maybe he put on different covers now. But
I was showing the guys a picture of our friend in Florida who's put them on his 3. David added the Plaid sticker to the back. I had not seen that yet. We're looking at wheels. We don't see the wheels we were looking for on any of the cars here. There's T-Sport line, and then there's another one that we don't see. Alright, here's a few more people. We're up to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Well, somehow Ruby became the popular hangout spot. I think it has a little bit to do with being under the wings and in the shade, and I had the car all open, and hey, we had a nice casual meetup today. We came home and there's not one cat in sight. That rarely ever happens. Well, there's Morris. Hi. Hi, honey. Oh, Marty came out of the ferns. Okay, that's all good. I wasn't really worried. I'm just used to being greeted. I bet Tux is over here in the ferns. Let's see if we can find Tux. A couple times I've seen him on this stone. It must be cool. Sometimes they lay there. Tuxie, are you here? Tuxie? And offhand, I don't see him. Tux! Tuxie, where are you? Tuxie! I don't want to holler too loud in the video camera's ear. Oh, there's Tux. He was in the ferns too. He came out. So him and Marty were both in the ferns. Hey, buddy. Hi. Hello. We came home. We're probably going to walk after we eat. I'm making bacon. We'll eat a little early today. I've got steaks, and I'm probably going to piddle with my Legos a little bit. I haven't decided turquoise or toy shop. I'll have to think about it. I'm not done. Oh, and I forgot to fix that block. But the outside is done. Well, minus that block. I got the roof on. I got the walls on both sides complete. I got this wall on the back complete. This was sort of a house of cards, and I had to really finesse it for a little bit. But I got it. I got the chimney up. I got the little decoration across the front, the fencing. It's all good. So what's left is, and I also finished the inside of the top floor with the flooring and a person. But here I've got to do a chair or couch in front of the fireplace and an office desk on the other side of the stairs. And I need to put something out here on the top porch. Some people looking over, maybe a bird. An umbrella, something up there. So, I got a couple more hours on it, but I'm not looking at it going, oh, it's not done. Oh, it's not done. It looks done on the outside, except for, up here. And what I have left is not that big. So, I'm stopping for now. Don and I are fixing to go for our walk. We had us a nice, I made the bacon, and we had us a nice egg, chaffle, bacon, cheese sandwich, and some extra bacon. When we cook bacon, we eat bacon. So anyway, I'm happy with it. That's probably all I'm going to work on today. I'm not feeling the furniture today. I didn't want to work on that. I don't know which I'll do tomorrow, this or finish this, assuming I have time. We'll see. Whatever the mood strikes me, it can be either is good. We're over here at the Greenway for our walk, since we didn't walk before the meetup this morning or on the way home from the meetup. Hopefully tomorrow we can get back on track, because I am a lazy walker. I mean, I'm a stroller at this time of the day. In the morning, I actually have some get up and go. Right now, I basically feel ready for a nap. I'm sure once I walk for a few minutes, I'll perk up. I do want to be out here. I just am feeling a little lazier than normal. So Donnie, I think this is the shadiest it's ever been on our walk on this particular trail. We've never been out here so late or early to have this much shade, so that's nice. And it's
the sun's over there, starting to set, so the trees, it's not overhead right now, the sun. So
yeah,
it makes this nice and it's very comfortable.
I'm not making Don talk too much, because
I'm a little hoarse. I talked at
every time we go to a meetup, the rest of the day we come home, he's always hoarse from all the talking over there. But I have to say, it was just a relaxing meetup today. Met a new Model X owner, Linda. That was awesome to meet her. And There was one couple that walked over from the apartment complex off to the side there that had some really good questions that I enjoyed talking to, and it just felt cozy today, I guess. It felt relaxed. It felt
good weather. It wasn't
yeah, nobody was suffering being out there. We had adequate water and shade, and
yeah.
The weather worked with us. It was just really enjoyable today. And not that it's ever been not enjoyable, but it has been too hot a few times. And
another thing, a guy came by in a Tesla and just saw us and didn't know anything about it and pulled in. So
yep.
we got to introduce him to the club.
Yep.
Give him a card.
Yep. Oh God, how much?
864,000.
No way. You're kidding. How many square feet is it?
864. Well,
no way.
864,900.
How many square feet?
3427.
Well, that one is pretty big then. But that's still, how much a square foot is that? You figure, you do the math for me.
Yeah.
Right, well, the house prices the house prices here are now insane. Ridiculously insane. Yeah, I'm remembering when houses were $100 a square foot, and that was for a nice construction, not the cheapest construction.
Well, this is well over $200 a square foot.
Wow, oh my God. Dang. And they'll be scarfed right up too. So what's that make your monthly house payment for a 30-year loan?
Oh God, I can't even calculate. I've never even tried to contemplate.
Well, forget
or $500,000 mortgage.
Yeah, but I mean seriously, at 864, let's just say $865,000, 30-year loan. Forget interest. If you just were no interest, what would the monthly loan amount be?
I don't even know that that's general rule of thumb. Calculate that, multiply by it. It doesn't. I don't know if it even works on numbers.
Well, it's got to be over $2,000 a month.
Oh, kid, it's over $5,000 a month.
No, really?
Absolutely.
This is not a highfalutin neighborhood.
Oh,
this is pretty basic over here. No offense. Right. This is not. I mean, I get it that it's a big, that some of this one's not as big, but I get it that some of the houses are big and have a garage and a porch and all that stuff, but.
Well, it doesn't have anything special. It just has a 5 bedrooms with 4 baths, 2-car garage, screened porch. It has a first floor guest bedroom, office type setup. It has a kitchen with a large island.
Wow. There's a duck. It's going away from the water. Wow, that's just really scary. I don't know how. Even 2 people working at IBM, I don't know how they afford that. In case you missed the math that we had like 3 inches of rain this week at our house, the lake is also telling us that we had a lot of rain. Kitty's over here laying in the shade.
I thought she said playing. I said the only thing that cat's good at is playing dead.
Funny. Kitty was laying in the shade. Open your ears.
Oh, well, you're the one who's getting me out here. I could be at home laying too.
Don had a nap. And I cooked him, for him. And he got to watch YouTube, so.
Yeah, I was pretty happy and comfortable.
Until I made you get up. I should have told Michelle or Sean to show up with Ariel.
Yeah.
Meet up with us on the walk for today.
And I could have just stayed back in the Tesla and listened to YouTubes and.
No.
No.
No.